My name is Dr. P.C. Pillai, a research scientist, Anand Agriculture University, Anand. At present, I am in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. So today, the topic of my YouTube is how to maintain soil sustainability in agriculture. Sustaining soil health is the imminent need of the hour. Soil health is defined as the continual capacity of soil to function as a vital living system, which includes sustaining biological productivity of soil, maintaining the quality of the surrounding air and water environments, as well as promoting plant, animal, and human health. So let us see the soil health. Soil is highly influenced by soil organic matter. Healthy soil increase the productivity of crop. Base management practices that build soil health and sustain productivity. Healthy soils are the foundation of our food security. It retains water and nutrient for crops, protecting against soil erosion, playing host to more soil microorganisms and worms. Soil sustainable management. So in soil sustainable management, we have to see the nutrient imbalance. So we have to apply the nutrient balance in the soil as per the soil test value. Salinization and solidification. So if we are not apply nutrient as per the soil test and add imbalance nutrient, then there is a problem of the salinization and solidification. Then resulted in soil compaction. So poor aeration of the roots. So poor growth of the crops. Then soil organic content is also reduced. So we have to control the soil erosion. So the nutrients are retained in the soil and it has been not washed out through the soil via wind erosion or water erosion, lose soil biodiversity, and if we are not add balanced nutrition in soil, then there is a problem of the soil pollution. So in soil we are observing the heavy metals like lead, nickels, so it is harmful to the human being because it is absorbed by the plants. So sustainable soil management. Sustainable soil management is essential for getting food, feed, fiber, fuel, medicines, and ecosystem services. Sustainable soil management is a key to increasing agriculture productivity. To meet the challenge successfully, countries will have to improve agriculture productivity and make more efficient and sustainable use of natural resources, especially soil and water. So we have to judicial use of water and soil, otherwise there is a degradation of the soil and the crop productivity has been declined significantly. Raising agricultural productivity is vital to achieving higher production. Sound soil management is vital for agricultural development. It is important to understand and conserve soil properly to take advantage of this natural capital that is essential for agricultural production. So natural resources very important, soil and water, and it is related with the agriculture crop production. It is essential that agriculture adheres the two principles. First, everything extracted from the soil, such as carbon and nutrient, must be returned to soil. And second, the soil should not be left without vegetation cover, which has a positive effect on carbon sequestration. So don't keep the soil naked one, but it should be covered with the vegetation cover. So there is a less erosion and we maintain the nutrient in soil. Soil management for soil sustainable agriculture. Good soil conservation helps to put nutrient back into the soil. No-till farming. Farming land without tilling or no-till farming is something soil conservation professionals recommend. Crop rotation and cover crops. So we have to use the diversification of the crop, windbreak and stream buffers. So there is less wind erosion and they protect the soil in a field. Prevent soil degradation. Though emphasis is on increasing the current yield level, attention will also be given to preventing soil degradation and also developing suitable technology to reclaim the problem soil. Problem soil means saline and alkaline soils, and at present the farmers are using the excessive use of the irrigation water, excessive use of the chemical fertilizer, pesticide resulted in soil become the problem soil, saline alkali soil, and the crop productivity has been declined significantly. Soil management for soil sustainable agriculture. Increased understanding of root function has implication for the selection and breeding of crop to maximize capture of water and nutrients. Root are also a means of delivering natural plant produced chemicals into the soil with potentially beneficial impacts. Nutrient management is a key challenge for global food production. There is an urgent need to increase nutrient availability to crop grown by smallholder farmers in developing countries. In the longer term, fertilizers will be essential for food security. So we are knowing that in India the population is about 140 crores. So we have to produce more food. Otherwise, there will be problem of the food security in future. Soil management for soil sustainable agriculture. The soil sustains most living organisms, being the ultimate source of their mineral nutrients. So soil is a living entity, but due to excessive use of the chemical fertilizers, pesticides, now the soil becomes dead and we are less population of the microorganisms. So whatever the nutrients added by the farmers in soil, it is not available to the plants in absence of organism or less population of the microorganism in soil. So good management of soil ensures that mineral elements do not become deficient or toxic to plant and that appropriate mineral elements enter the food chain. Soil management is important both directly and indirectly to crop productivity, environmental sustainability, and human health. So you know that when the soil health is good, then plant health is good. When the plant health is good, then animal and human health is good. So it is directly related with the soil, plant, animal, and human relationship. So role of living organism in soil. Some living things make humus with remains or waste. Other mix the soil around, creating space for air and water. So you know that earthworm is the farmer's friend, but due to excessive, I explained that due to excessive use of chemical and pesticide and fungicide, we have killed the earthworms, and at present we are not observed the earthworm in conventional farming. It is observed in natural farming and organic farming. We have also killed the rats, mouse, and other insect in the soils. To achieve food security, soil management in a sustainable manner will be the challenge through proper nutrient management and appropriate soil conservation practices. So sustain soil carbon to enhance soil health, food, and nutritional security. So you know that at present there is a carbon farming. So we should have to add carbon in soil. So we are maintaining the sustainability for a longer period. But you know that due to global warming and climate change mitigation, it is important because there is emission from the industries and agriculture and other things. So we help to see the mitigation of the climate change. Soil health and carbon sequestration is very important. So for that, we should have to add the manures and biochar. So it helps in soil health and carbon sequestration. Soil biodiversity need primary productivity. So we have to see this. Then sustainable food production is very important. I explained that the population of the India is increasing rapidly. So we should have to produce the sustainable food production for the increasing population of India and particularly of the world. Then food and nutritional security is very important for the human being, for the human and animal health. Then clean environment and ecosystem service is important because we have to breathe the clean air. Integrated nutrient management, soil health cards for sustainable agriculture. So integrated nutrient management we means it is integrated with the manures, then green manure, then crop residue and organic synthetic fertilizers, crop rotation and intercropping, biofertilizer. So we have to integrate all these things. Then we maintain the soil fertility and sustainability for a longer period. Otherwise, the crop productivity has been declined significantly. You are know that when the Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of the Gujarat, then he has started the soil health card, augmenting farmer welfare. So we should have to apply the nutrient soil on the basis of the soil testing and water testing, and for that soil health card is very important. And Government of India gave the free analysis of the water and soil, and the crop productivity of the agriculture crop has been declined, is increasing significantly, and we are now exporting to the other nation like rice and other crops. So integrated farming system means with all are the farming system, dairy, poultry, agriculture, fishery, mushroom cultivation. So we have to integrate the things. So of the one farming, it is utilized for the another. So I will example give the agriculture plus animal. So whatever the byproduct of the agriculture that has been utilized by the animals, and animal will give the manure to the soil, and thereby we are maintaining the soil productivity and fertility and also sustainability. So agriculture and dairy, so it is a biological integrated farming systems, and it is very important for maintaining the soil fertility for a longer period. Agroforestry is also very important. Then mushroom cultivation, so we are getting the extra income from the farming system. Also we can start the fishery and poultry also. So when we are integrated the different farming system, then we are earn more income, we maintain the soil fertility, sustainability, and we are generate the labor problems. So more employment to the laborers, because you know that when we are doing the only agriculture, then less labor is required, but simultaneously we are doing then agriculture, dairy, poultry, agroforestry, mushroom cultivation, fisheries, then labor are engaged, and we are farmers are getting more income, and the livelihood of the farmers has been increased. So I discussed crop residue management is very important for maintain the soil health, crop productivity, and environment quality. So looking to maintain soil health and soil sustainability, need expert consultancy. So please contact to me. My name is Dr. P.C. Pole, retired scientist. Phone number, WhatsApp number +91999090222116. My email patelpc12@gmail.com, and it is a link of my LinkedIn account. So thank you. Let us maintain soil sustainability in agriculture, sustainable agriculture for the future. So if you have liked my YouTube, then please share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you again.